Hey folks, Tony Ross here with Chandler Ross Injury Attorneys located in Denton, Texas. Wanted to take just a few moments to formally introduce myself and our firm. We've talked about this before, but just wanted to take another moment just to answer a few questions, make a few comments that we've been asked about. Again, our firm's name is Chandler Ross Injury Attorneys here in Denton. We are a personal injury law firm serving pretty much all of DFW in North Texas. We will take cases throughout the state of Texas if we believe those cases have merit and they're worth pursuing. And we will even pursue cases outside of Texas on occasion where we team up with another attorney. We've done that a few times in the past, but primarily the areas that we are going to be serving are DFW and North Texas. We are a personal injury law firm. Handle everything from small motor vehicle accidents to very simple stuff like dog bites, premises liability cases, all the way up to wrongful death cases. Right now we've got 3, and probably we're getting ready to have 4 wrongful death cases, unfortunately, but we believe that we can handle those cases effectively. So like I always tell people, of course we never want people to get hurt, but if they are hurt, we hope they do come to us because we believe that we can help you. We believe that we are very zealous advocates for people in these types of situations. So if you're in a situation where you believe that you might need a personal injury attorney, we hope that you at least reach out to us and talk with us. We're happy to talk with you, talk about your case, talk about how we believe we might be able to help you. Again, my name is Tony Ross. I have been a licensed attorney since 2006. Went to law school here in DFW at Texas Wesleyan School of Law in 2002, now known as Texas A&M School of Law. I have run Ross Law Firm since 2006. So for about the last 15 years, I have done primarily criminal defense work. I've tried all kinds of civil cases, criminal cases, but primarily what Ross Law Firm has done is criminal defense. So we've done a lot of jury trials, a lot of trial work in general, and we've been very successful with that. Helped a lot of people along the way. We started Chandler Ross, our personal injury division, a couple years back with my partner Brent Chandler. He's been licensed for the same amount of time, since 2006, and he has done personal injury on the plaintiff side here in Denton specifically, and he did commercial defense for 18-wheeler litigation in Dallas. And so we have a lot of experience in both our trial work, client representation of all kinds, and specific personal injury experience related to all kinds of personal injury on the plaintiff side and the defense side. We've got great commercial experience as far as, again, the commercial vehicle accidents, the wrongful death. We've dealt with it on both sides, so we know not only how to approach it for the plaintiff, but we know how and what to expect from that insurance defendant who's going to come back and say, yeah, we're not liable, or we don't owe you what you claim that we owe you. Like I've talked about before, we'll talk to just about anybody who believes that they have a legitimate claim with merit. And on speaking to that, when we talk with somebody, when we sit down and meet with you, we are going to shoot you straight. We are not going to take your case if we do not believe that it is a valid claim with merit. If it's not worth us putting our time and our resources and our money, which we are going to pour into a case, we're going to be honest with you up front. We don't want to BS you and tell you that, yeah, you've got a claim just so we can get you in the door and then get you out with the quickest settlement possible. We're not what I refer to commonly as a high-volume law firm. I've said this before. We take fewer cases because the cases that we take, we truly try to put a lot of time and effort into ensuring that those cases are handled correctly, efficiently, and with the most success that we can possibly obtain on each and every client's case. So again, if we take your case, if we meet with you, if we investigate it and we decide to take that case, it's for a reason, and that's because we believe that that case is valid and that case is worth pursuing. So like most personal injury attorneys, we're going to work on a contingency fee basis. We're going to meet with you at no charge, and if we decide to take your case, it's not going to be any money down. You're not going to owe us anything unless we're able to recover something for you, either through a settlement or through a verdict at trial. I can tell you that we're happy. Again, we're happy to meet with anybody and speak with anybody that has any questions about a potential case. We always tell people that if you are involved in a personal injury matter of any kind, whether it be at home, on the road, at work, whatever, contact a personal injury attorney as soon as possible. Even if it's not us, that's fine. But contact an injury attorney that has experience, that knows what they're doing, somebody that's going to work with you directly. At least I would recommend somebody that's going to work with you directly, somebody that's going to meet and speak with you directly, so you have that sense of communication, that relationship with the attorney, to where you know that you can always contact that firm and get your questions answered. I sometimes will talk with people. One of the biggest complaints with the State Bar of Texas is just the inability to get in touch with their attorney. You know, the inability to communicate clearly and effectively on a regular basis. And that's one thing that we really strive to do very efficiently here at Chandler Ross, is communicate with each and every client on a regular and consistent basis. You know, every 7 to 10 days, we're going to be checking in with that client at a minimum. On more complex cases, it will probably be every few days. You know, but at a minimum, you're going to hear from us several times a month, just checking in with you, giving you updates on your case. You know, if there's ever any problem in getting in touch with us, you will have our number direct, to where we will make sure that that's corrected immediately, because that's probably our number one concern is communication with our clients. And we believe that effective communication with clients is the way to go about resolving a case successfully, to where at the end of that case, no matter what the outcome, the client feels like they were treated fairly and their case was handled effectively. So again, my name is Tony Ross with Chandler Ross Injury Attorneys. We're located in Denton, Texas, serving pretty much all of North Texas. If you believe that you might need an attorney, again, even if you don't reach out to us, I would strongly recommend reaching out to somebody that you know, trust. Most of our business is referrals, so you know, you may have heard of us, you may not have, but either way, we're happy to speak with you, introduce ourselves, and let you know how we think we might be able to help you. And again, if we can't help you, we're happy to refer you to somebody who might be able to. What we want to do is make sure that anybody that contacts us walks away feeling like we've done everything that we can to assist you with your case, and if we can help you, we're more than happy to speak to you about that. So again, feel free to contact us with any questions. Our direct office number is 940-800-2500. And again, it's Chandler Ross Injury Attorneys here in Denton, Texas, and my name is Tony Ross. Hope this has been some help to you guys, and as always, hope everybody out there is doing okay. Thank you.